The feeling of wind against your chest. The sound of the engine. The way the world just fades away when you're on two wheels. I'm new to riding, and I already know I love it. But lately, I've been afraid. Not of crashing, not of falling. I'm afraid of something else. I recently bought a pair of motorcycle boots from a guy I met on Facebook. He was in great shape, retired, maybe in his late 50s, definitely still capable of riding, but he sold his bike. He told me he just didn't have time anymore. And for some reason, that stuck with me. He didn't stop because he crashed. He didn't stop because he was too old or too weak. He just moved on. Life got in the way, and no, those boots meant for riding, are mine. And that's what I'm afraid of. That one day I'll wake up and realize I haven't ridden in weeks, months, years. That I'll sell my bike, pack up my gear, and quietly walk away from something I loved. Not because I wanted to, but because I didn't make time. This has happened so many times in my life. So, how do I stop that from happening? How do I keep this passion alive? I think it all starts with reminding myself why I ride. Making space for it, keeping it sacred, even if life gets busy. Riding isn't just a hobby. It's a state of mind. It's therapy, it's freedom and adventure. But life has a way of testing what we hold on to and what we let go of. And if I'm not careful, riding might just become a memory. People quit riding for all kinds of reasons. Time, family, injury, fear. Sometimes it's money. Sometimes it's just life evolving. And none of that is wrong. But I don't want to look back one day and think, I could have kept going, I just didn't. I've said riding makes me feel free. It quiets the noise. It's the one place where everything makes sense. The road, the engine, and the wind. I don't ride to escape life. I ride to remember who I am in the middle of it. And the thought of losing that scares me more than any high-speed corner or close call ever could. Because it doesn't happen all at once. It happens slowly. You get busy, you miss a ride here and there, you tell yourself you go next weekend, then a month goes by, and then a year. And one day, you wake up and realize you haven't been riding for so long. You're not even sure where your helmet is. I get it. That guy didn't just sell me a pair of boots. He sold me a reminder. A quiet one. That time doesn't wait for us, and things we love can slip away without even making a sound. So I ask myself, what am I doing with my time? Am I filling it with the things that matter, or just filling it? Because every day we don't choose what lights us up, life will choose for us. And it usually chooses routine, comfort, obligation. But not passion, not freedom, not this. So yeah, I'm afraid. I'm afraid of looking back and realizing I let go of the thing that made me feel most alive. Not in a single moment, but piece by piece. I'm afraid of slowly becoming someone who says, I used to ride, like it's some chapter that closed itself, like so many other things in my life. But more than that, I'm afraid of forgetting how this feels. The way the ocean smells when you're cruising along the coast, the way the wind punches your jacket, the way a good curve feels like flying. the way a full tank and an open road make you believe that you could outrun everything, even time. So I made myself a promise. I'm not going to wait until I have the time, because that day may never come. I'm going to make time, even if it's only for an hour, even if it's just around the neighborhood. Because every ride counts. Every mile is proof that I'm still choosing what matters to me, still chasing something real, still alive in the moment. And if I ever stop, I hope someone buys these boots off me and feels the same weight I did. That same reminder that time is short and the road is always waiting. So yeah, I'm afraid, but fear is not always a bad thing. Sometimes fear just means something matters. And this matters. So I ride.